He is a fish, he swims through streams calm as a wish. He glides so smooth, he takes his time. He swims in circles, feels just fine.
He hides in the weeds and pops right out. He flips his tail and spins about. Clark the carp, cool and slow. C is for calm, just go with the flow. Cameron the chameleon, he is a reptile. He changes color with quiet style. He climbs the trees and stops to stare, then disappears hardly there. He sticks his tongue out fast and far. He's sneaky, smart, a jungle star. Grandma the chameleon can't be seen. C is for clever, cool and green.
Cyrus the cricket, she is an insect. She hops and chirps with great effect.
She sings at night, a steady beat. She rubs her wings to keep it sweet. She hides in grass and leaps up high. She jumps with joy into the sky. Cyrus the cricket, nighttime queen. C is for chirping, calm and keen. I'm learning the alphabet, look at me. Learning has never been so easy. Every song teaches me